Hello everyone. Today our discussion SBI Clerk Mains Grand Test 14 Quantitative Aptitude. Directly we'll go for the questions. The first question is we have a total data from 91 to 96. They are given a caselet DA. Based on the caselet DA we have to solve. Look at Rahul goes to gym and runs 50 minutes. Total gym completed time is runs 15 minutes and treadmill. Starting 15 minutes and he runs at a uniform speed of 5 kmph, and after that he runs at a uniform speed of 9 kmph remaining time. He runs total how many kilometers on treadmill? A. Look at why I am stopped for A. They are asking a question for A. What will come at the place of A? A value is how much? How to calculate? Look at here. Overall 50 minutes on treadmill. He calculated total 50 minutes. First to 50 minutes. First 15 minutes. First to 15 minutes. And remaining is how many minutes? 35 minutes. Then first to 15 minutes he will go with. First to 15 minutes he will go with. It's a walk. That means it's nothing but 5 kilometer per hour plus, and next to 35 minutes he will go for 9 kilometer per hour. Divide with 60, and here is 60 because it is a hours conversion, and cancel the values. 5 12 this 5 will be cancelled, and 5 7 and 5 12 7 9 is 63. 63 plus 15 it is a 78. 63 plus 15 78. 78 by 12. 6 2s are and 6 1s are 6 3s are. That means 13 by 2 is equal to how many kilometers? 6.5 kilometers. Then A is equal to answer is 6.5 kilometers. Then as it is, we'll go for the next question. 92. 91 completed first one, next 92. What value will come at the place of B? P data is located. In office, he gives some work at his subordinate P1, P2 at B time. P1 can complete that work. P1 can complete the work in 6 hours, while efficiency of P1 and P2 is 5:4. P1 complete a work in here 6 hours, then their efficiency is 5:4. P1, P2 together complete 75% work in at what time? 12:30 p.m. Up to here, the data is required to complete the answer of B. Okay, for 92 question, that is very required. And at what time they started? That is our question. Look at P1 is completed working in 6 hours. In 6 hours, efficiency is 5. 6 5 is 30. This work is completed by both means how many units per hour? 9 units per hour, because 5 plus 4 is 9 units. Then 6 5 is 30. 30 means it is nothing but 10 by 3 hours to complete total 100% is efficiency. 100% of work. But we have up to 12:30 they completed only 75% is work. Then 25 3s are 25 3s are and 25 4s are, and 3 will be coming here, 4 will be coming here, 3 will be coming here. 10 by 4 is equal how many hours? 2.5 hours. Up to 12:30 they completed 75% is work, means at what time they started? 12.5 hours. 12.5 hours means nothing but 2 hours 30 minutes before they started. Then 2 hours 30 minutes before they started. Then out of 12 hours 30 minutes we have to remove this 2 hours 30 minutes. Now we'll get what time they started? 10 o'clock they started. 10 o'clock they started means option E is perfect for us. Next 93 question. What value will come at the place of C? You can observe the DI of this case like DI. Every letter is a question. A, B, C, D, E they are given up to F. That is a question purpose. Next C purpose. What is the data we can use from here? Rahul and P2 together can complete a same work in 3 hours. Okay. Same work. Same work means how many units? 6 5 is 30. They will complete it 3 hours. Okay. Rahul and P2 together can complete a same work in 3 hours. First of all, we need to know P2 value. We need to know P2. P2 is how much? How many hours are required here? Okay. That is our question. Look at P2 and Rahul. Rahul value is required. For Rahul purpose, we have to remove the P2 value. Rahul and P2 value is equal to 3 hours. Then P2 alone value is required. P2 alone is how to calculate. Look at here. 6 hours, 5 units per hour. 6 5 is 30. 30 by 4 is equal to 7.5 hours. The 7.5 hours is taken by whom? P2. P2 will be take 7.5 hours and Rahul plus P2 will be take 3 hours. Then how to calculate R value? R value is how to alone calculate 3 into 7.5 by 4.5. When you are applying 4.5 means 3 to 7.5. When you are applying this formula, we'll get R alone value. Then 4.5 and this will be cancelled with 15, 15 3s and 15 5s. 3 3 will be cancelled. It is equal to how many hours? 5 hours. Rahul alone will be completed working 5 hours. And this is Rahul time. And P1 is time is 6 hours. 5 is to 6. Timings ratio is 6. 5 is to 6 means efficiency ratio is 6 is to 5. Then Rahul efficiency is 6 parts. P1 efficiency is 5 parts. Comparing to 5, Rahul is how many parts extra? 1 part extra. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means it is equal to how much percentage? 20 percentage. 20 percentage. Rahul is 20 percentage more efficient than P here. Next, 94th question. D purpose. D. Look at, he takes D hours to reach home. After that, it's a completed. After that, he comes back. Okay, he comes back to home in upstream. He come back by upstream. Speed of steam is 3 km per hour and his speed in still water and distance between his house and office are same as earlier. Same as earlier means look at here is his distance is 45 kilometers. He completed journey is how many hours? 1.5 hours. Then 1.5 hours means 45 kilometers. 1.5 hours means he will take 30 kmph. He will take how much speed? 30 kmph without water. That means in water is constant. Now he is going to completing same 45 kilometers with 27 kmph. Suddenly how you get this 27 kmph? Because already clearly mentioned water speed is, here is there mentioned. Look at, water speed is 3 km per hour. 3 km per hour and its speed is 30 km. 30 minus 2 is 27. Now hours is required. Look at 9 5s and 9 3s. That means how much hour? 1 2 by 3 hours. 1 2 by 3 hours means option D here. Okay. Next, what value will come at? What value will become at place of E? What value will become at place of G? This is the 95th question. E purpose what they are given. When he reaches home, two of his friends Aman and Raman come at his house. All three starts to play a game in which 2 dice are used to each person. Each person is using 2 dice. Each person is using 2 dice means the probability of 2 dice value is how much values? What was the total sample space of 2 dice? 6 square. Every dice contains 6 spaces. Then 6 square is a total sample space of the each total 2 dice. Then 6 square. First person Rahul is tasked is he will get 36 ways. Aman will task, he will get 36 ways. 36 plus 36 which is equal to how many outcomes? 72 outcomes. It is how many outcomes? 72 outcomes. Then E is the number of outcomes. Outcomes of means 2 dice means 6 square. Rahul purpose 6 square and Aman purpose 6 square. 6 square plus 6 square, it is the outcomes is how many comes? 72 outcomes. Then option A here. Let's go for the 96th question. Here, what is the question they are asking? Then after that, all three of their dices and each one of them get 8 as the sum of the numbers in their dice, and any one of two not get same means 4 comma 4 it is okay, 5 comma 3 3 comma 5 is not possible, only 5 comma 3 or 3 comma 5. And winner is one who gets highest number as the sum of the squares of the number of comes in dice. Okay, sum of the squares. How you get 8? What was the face values are there to get 8? What was the face values? 5 comma 3, next 6 comma 2, next 4 comma 4. There is no other chance. Then 5 comma 3, 3 comma 5 same, because they are mentioned not get same outcome. Same outcomes means 3 comma 5, 5 comma 3 is the same outcome. That's why 5 comma 3 is enough. 5 square value is 25, 3 square value is 9, total value is 34 outcomes. Now 6 square value is 36, 2 square value is 4, total outcomes is 40. Then 4 square value is 16, 4 square value is 16, it is equal to 32. Highest outcomes is possibility by 40, which is equal to 6 comma 2 only. Only 6 comma 2 is possibility. 2 comma 6 or 6 comma 2. That means our answer is option A. Option E. Option E purpose. Here, what value will come out at the place of F? F means what? Should be the outcomes of the dice Raman. If Raman is winner of the game. Now, winner of the game means his outcomes value should be bigger. Outcome value is bigger means only 6 comma 2 is possibility. Then how many outcomes? 40 outcomes. Okay. Then just you can read it again and again, you can easily understand that. Let's go for the next question. It is a DA, they are mentioned 97 to 101. It is a DA purpose, such a chart is required. They are given a here the bar graph. Yellow color is belongs to selling price, red color is belongs to profit. It is a A item. Okay, bar chart given below shows the selling price of 5 articles. 5 articles are mentioned. Then directly we'll go for the A. A I am writing. AI purpose, what I am writing, 40% is profit. 40% is profit means it is equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means 5 plus 2 is equal 7 parts. Every 5 rupees, 2 rupees a part profit and 7 parts is equal selling price. 7 parts is equal to 105. Each 1 part is equal to 15. 5 parts is equal to 75 and 2 parts is equal to 30. Okay. Konna vela 75, ammina vela 105, profit is 30. Okay, this is for which article? A article, first article. Okay, which article? A article. Okay, now coming to the B. Now clearly mentioned that this is selling price, this is cost price, and this is profit. Every term we have to calculate like this now. B. B is 20% is profit. 20% is we can write 1 by 5. Every 5 rupees, 1 rupee is a profit means it is sold for 6 parts. 6 parts is equal to 60 and 5 parts is equal to 50 and 1 part is equal to 10 rupees profit. Then as it is we should calculate for C also. C is 25% is profit. 25% is equal to 1 by 4. It's a 5 parts is equal to 150 and 4 parts is equal to 120 and 1 part is equal to 30. And D as it is we should solve it. D. 60% is profit. 60% means we can write 3 by 5. Every 5 rupees, 3 rupees the profit means 8 rupees is the selling price. 8 parts is equal to 120. 1 part is equal to 15. 15 5 is 75 and 15 3 is 45. Okay. Next. E. E is 80% is profit. 80% is profit means 4 by 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 parts. 9 parts is equal to 90, 5 parts is equal to 50 and 4 parts is equal to 40. Okay, this is selling price, this is the cost price, this is the profit. Just you should remember it and go for the question directly. The question is, look at Ravi sold article D to Shyam. Ravi sold D article. D article he is already purchased for 75 and sold for 120 and Shyam who gained sold it to 25% is profit. Ravi sold to Shyam. Shyam is again solding with 25% profit. Find the difference between their profit and look at here. Ravi purchased for 75, sold for 120. His profit is 45. His profit is how much? 45. His profit is 45. Ravi profit is 45. Next Shyam profit. Shyam purchased for 120. Okay, Ravi anybody Shyam sold చేశాడు ఎంతకి 120. అందులో 25% ప్రాఫిట్ తీసుకున్నాడు. 25% ప్రాఫిట్ తీసుకుని సేల్ చేశాడు. And 120 he's taking 25% profit. That means his profit is 30 and 120 25% means 30. He is getting 30 rupees profit and he is getting 45 rupees profit. Here the difference is how much rupees difference? 15 rupees difference. Option C here. Once we have a table we can easily solve the question. Next 98. Cost price of article A is what percentage more or less than the cost price of article C? Article A cost price is 75. Is cost price of article C is 120. 75 is less than the 120. 75 is less than the 120 means how much less it is? 45 is less. 45 is less. comparing to 120, we need percentage multiply with 100. Okay. Our cost price of article A 75 is what percentage more or less than the cost price of article C. Okay. How much less? 75 plus 45, it is a 120. And 45 cancel with here 0 0 cancel, 3 4 the 3 15 the, okay, and 2 2 the 2 5 the 15 5 the 75, 75 by 2 is equal to how much percentage? 37.5 percentage is the difference between these two. Next, for the same data, next 99 question. Ravi marked article B 50% is above cost price. Okay. Already cost price is 50. 50% is above the cost price means then market price becomes 75. 50% is 50, 25, 25 plus 50, 75. Then what percentage discount should be given to getting a 60 rupees? Selling price is as per the data 60. 75 rupees product, 60 రావాలంటే at the discount ఇవ్వాలి. How much rupees discount given? 15 rupees discount given. 15 rupees discount given on 75 rupees. We need percentage multiply with 15 to 75, 5 times 5 to 120. 20% is discount. 20% discount means option D here. Let's go for the next question. 100 here. Profit earned on selling an article E is how much more or less than profit earned on selling article C? Profit earned on selling an article E. Selling an article E is how much rupees profit? 40 rupees profit. And C is how much rupees profit? 30 rupees. 40 to 30 difference is how much? 10 rupees difference. Yes, that is question. Next, 101. Ravi markup article A is such that in selling price article A at 16% discount, he will earn the given profit. After the given is article A. Article A is selling price is 105. After the getting a discount, discount is how much percentage? 16% discount. That means 84 parts is equal to 105. Market price is how much? 100 parts. Market price is 100 parts. Then after the discount of 16 parts, 16% is 100 rupees. 16% discount means selling price is 84. 84 parts is equal to 105. 100 parts is equal to 1. Cancel with 7. 7 1 the 7 2 the 7 15 the, and the next 3 4 the and 3 5 the. 4 to 100 25 times 25 5 the is 125. That means original market price is 125. Then markup price of article A is what percentage more than its cost price? Cost price. This is what? Market price. And this is what? Selling price. This is for which article? Article A. And cost price is how much? Article A is 75. 75 became a 125 means how much added? 40 added, 50 added, 50 added, 50 and 75, and we need 100. 75, 50 is increased on 75. Then what percentage increment? What percentage marked up? 50 by 75 both are cancelled with 25. 25 2s are 25 3s are 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to how much percentage? 66. 2 by 3 percentage. 66 2 by 3 percentage means which option is correct? Option D is perfect for this question. Yes. Next we have directions 102, 105 based on the quantity based. We have to focus on that quantity based. First quantity 1 they are asking value of x. Quantity 2 they are asking value of y. Value of x purpose we have to solve first equation. Value of y purpose we have to solve second equation. Look at first equation. If I am solving 3 to the power of x plus 5 plus this is a 9 square. 9 is there. 9 we can write 3 square. 3 square means you can 2 can be multiplied. It is a 4x minus 8, which is equal to 3 to the power of 10x minus 28. Then bases are equal, powers are equal. X plus x 4x. It is a 5x. 5x is removing from the 10x. It is a 5x. Then 5 minus 8. It is a value is minus 3. Minus 3 is removing from the 28. It is a 25. Then finally x is equal to what is the value? 5. X is equal to 5. And coming to the here the next equation 2y square minus 3y square, it is a y square, and minus 23y plus 15, it is a minus 18y plus 15, which is equal to 0. And what was the factors we'll get? 5 comma 3 factors will be get. 5 to 5 it is equal, 5 is greater. That means it is a quantity 1 greater than or equal to quantity 2. That means here quantity 1 is greater than or equal to quantity 2 means then option C here. Then next move for the 103. When article sold 28% discount, then profit ended 29.6%. X is the profit percentage when article sold 30% discount. 28% discount ఇచ్చినప్పుడు 29.6% ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తాయి. 30% discount అంటే more discount ఇస్తున్నాం. Comparing to 28, 30% is more discount. When you are giving more discount, compulsory you will get the less profit. Less profit means the profit is 29.6% కంటే తక్కువ. Less profit than 29.6%. If then as per the quantity 1, your profit is 29.6% is less than 29.6% is profit. It is a nothing but it is a 29. Okay, it is 29, it is 38. 29 is bigger, 38 bigger, 38 is bigger. That means we can say quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. Yes. Next, 12 men complete a work in 10 days. 18 women complete a work in 12 men complete a work in 10 days. 18 women complete a work in 20 days. 27 children complete a work in 20. Here is 2 cancel, here is 2 cancel, here is 1, and 6 2s are 6 3s are, and here is also 6 will be cancelled, 2 cancel, it is a 3 cancel, it is a 9. Then main value purpose we have to multiply women's efficiency and child efficiency. 3 to the 6, 6 into 9, and women's efficiency purpose man efficiency and children efficiency we should multiply 2 into 9, and children's efficiency purpose 2 into 3 into 2. Common terms will be going to cancel. Okay, then 2 cancel, 2 cancel, 2 3s are cancel, and cancel with 3, 3 cancel, 3 3s are, and 3 cancel. It is become 3, 2, it is become 3, it is become 9. Question is 9 women and 9 children together do that work for 16 days. 16 days, 9 women and 9 children. 9 3s are 27. Okay. First of all, how many works are there? That's we have to calculate. 12 9 ja. Look at, go for the, here the first line. First line is 12 men complete a work in 10 days. 12 9 ja 108. 108 into it means total is 1080 works are there. Then first line I am taking 12 men can complete a work in 10 days. Now men value is 9. 12 9 ja 108. 108 in 10 means 1080 units. From that 1080 units, 9 women. 9 women means women efficiency is 3, 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 9 2s are 18. It is a 45. 45 16s are 45 into 16. They are worked for 45 units per day, 16 days. It is a 90 into 8. It is a 720. 720 is removing from here, you will get 360. This 360 units is completed by number of men required. Number of men means each man is doing 9 units per day. Then 360 means how many men are required? 40. That means quantity 1 purpose we are getting a 40. Okay, we are getting 40. Quantity 2 is 36. That means quantity 1 is bigger than the quantity 1 is bigger than the quantity 2. That means option A is correct here. Next, time taken to fill a tank A, B, C are open every alternate time. Then alternative time for the is quantity 1. Quantity 1 purpose we have to calculate alternate. 20, 15, and 12. LCM is 60. It is 3, it is 4, and it is 5. Then overall 3 minutes completed. 3 minutes completed. How many units completed? It is 12 units completed. 3 minutes 12 units means then both side multiply final. It is a 15 minutes 60 units completed. In alternative means how many minutes completed? 15 minutes. Quantity 1 value is 15 minutes. Then coming to the quantity 2. Quantity 2. Find the time taken by waste pipe to empty full system. 2 pipes can fill a system 10 minutes and 15 minutes. When these 2 pipes are along with waste pipe, here 10 and it is 15 and it is 18. LCM is 90. It is 9 and it is 6 and it is 5. 5 is equal to what we can write? 9 plus 6 minus 10. That means empty efficiency value is 10. This total units is 90. 90 by 10. Then empty pipe will be take how many unit time? 9 minutes. 9 minutes is bigger. Quantity 2 is bigger or quantity 1 is bigger? Quantity 1 is bigger. Then directly we will say here Option A. Option A is a perfect. Next, what is the distance between A and B? So this the direction is based on the statements we have to consider the question. Two persons, Amit and Abhi, started simultaneously. If the speed ratio is given and speed is given here, and one or if the every data is required, you can check it compulsory. Every statement is required to solve the question. Next, what is the area of rectangle? It is the length and breadth ratio is mentioned, then circumference. Based on the circumference of circle, breadth is mentioned. Then once you know the breadth, you can easily calculate ratio. That means 1, 2 is enough to solve. But here is also mentioned. That means 2 is mandatory, 1 or 3 is we have to fluctuate. That means option B is perfect. Next, how many students failed in class 11th? 400 students passed in 11th. Number of students failed in 11th is 20%. Those failed in class 12th is class 12th is not required. Ratio of students appeared that failed in class is 11th. That means 193 is enough to solving a question. 193 is enough means option A, because 5 is the total appeared, 3 is a failed, means 5 to 3 is the difference is 2. 2 parts is belongs to 400. Then 3 parts is how much? Directly we'll get the answer. That means A is the perfect for this. Next, what is the rate of interest? SI accrued in 2 years in amount of same rate of interest 44,000, and amount of some years means not mentioned here. That means this is not correct. We required statement 1 and statement 3. Here is difference between component. There is such a formula. That means 193 is enough to solving a question. Option A here. Next, what is the sum of two numbers? The bigger number is 6 more than that of smaller number. That means 40% of smaller number is equal to 30% of the bigger number. The ratio between half of the bigger number and 1/3 of smaller number is 2:1. Okay. Not required. Okay, this is and here. Okay, the number and 1/3 of the smaller number is 2:1. Then here first statement is mandatory. We have to go with alternative. That means final our answer is 1 and 2 or 1 and 3. This is the statements are required. Is there any combination? Only 2 and 3? No. Only 1 and 2? No. Any 2 or 3? No. All statements? No. We required none of this because there is no combination of like this. That's why we are going through the none of this here. And we have a directions based on the number series. The number series we have to solve. Look at here. 7 and 151. 7 become a 151 means how much added? It is 144 added. 151 become a 223 means how much added? 72 added. 223 become 259 means how much added? 36 added. 259 become a 277 means how much added? Here is 18 added. Then here is we can add it 9. Then when you are adding 9 you will get 286. 286 means option C here. Then next, 27 becoming 30.2. That means how much added here? 3.2 added. Next, 23.8. How much removed? Minus 6.4 is removed. Next, here we have to add it 33.4. 33.4 means 9.6 added. Look at here 3.2, 3.2 increasing. Then next here 20.6. 20.6 means here is 3.2 added na, it is nothing but 12.8 is removed. Next we can add it 12 point added and 3.2 added. Okay, then 12 point added, 3.2 added, 12.12 and 3 is overall 16 added. Then 16 added na, it is becoming 36.6. Then option B is our answer. Next, 5 became a 4 and 5 become 4 and 4 become a 6 and 15 and 56 and question mark. What is the logic? Here is into 1 minus 1, okay, into 2 minus 2, into 3 minus 3. Here is into 4 and here is into 5 minus 5. 560 560 is the value 280. 280 minus 5 value is 275. 275 means what is the option correct? Option B. Option B is a perfect for it. Next question is 7, 10, 7, 10, 21, 52, 121 and question mark. Here is 7 becoming 10 means how much added? 3 added. Here is 11 added. Here is how much added? 31 added. Here is how much added? 69 added. And here's how much? Look at here. 1 cube plus 2. It is 2 cube. 2 cube plus 3. Next. 3 cube plus 4. 3 cube plus 4. It is what? 4 cube plus 5. Next to what is a value can we make it? 5 cube plus 6. That means we have to add it 131. When you're adding 131, it is becoming 252. 252 means option D here. Next 5, 3, 4, and what is the question? It's a 115 question. Then 5, 3, 4 question mark 38. What is the logic? Here 5 into 1 minus 2. 5 into 1 5. 5 minus 2 value is 3. 3 into 2 minus 2. Okay, 3 into 2 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 12. 12 minus 2 is equal 10. Then our answer is 10. 10 into 4. 10 into 4 40. 40 minus 2. Every time consecutively 5 into 1, 3 into 2, 4 into 3, 10 into 4, like this we have to multiply. Every time we have to remove minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Then our answer is 10 here. Next we have directions 116 and 120. Study the table carefully and answer the questions that follow. Number of animals in grassland of 4 different countries in 5 different years. This is based on the table we have to calculate. They are given tiger, lion, bear. This is the number of animals. Why they are mentioned overall among the years 1992, 95, 2002, 2005 and 2010. Directly we'll go for the questions. What is the first question? It is a 116. What is the average of number of tigers in grassland of Sri Lanka overall all the years together? All the years together we required tigers. Tigers total value is required 280, 350, 433, 343, 535. This is all are we should add it. We should add it here. So 500, 500. It is a 1700. 1700 is just hold with that. 1700 plus extra 80 plus 54, it is a 134 and 167, and it is a 170. 170 plus 42 10 245. 245 added to 1700, it is equal to, it is a 1945. 1945. This 1945 we required average. Average means by 5. Then 1945 divided with 5 means how many times 5 threes are? It is 8, 15. 15 means remaining value is 44. 5 8 and 5 9. Its average became a what? Option B here. Now we'll go for the next question for the same data. What is the difference between total number of lions and bears in the grassland of England in the year 2005? It's England and 2005. Total number of lions and bears. Lions and bears is required 235 plus 567, which is equal to 802. Which is equal to 802. And next, particularly, they are asking number of tigers in a grassland South Africa in the year 1995. South Africa 1995. It is tigers 134. Here is difference. 802 to 132 difference is 670, but extra 2 it is the difference is 668. 668 means option D. Next, the total number of animals together in grassland of China in the year 1990. 1990 it is a China value. 320, 300 and 400 it is a 1000. 1000 plus 46 plus 36 is 82. 82 plus 20 it is equal to 1102. 1102 by 1102 by the what percentage of total number of bears in the grassland of Sri Lanka over all the years together. Then Sri Lanka number of bears, total bears value is required 255, 343, 545 and 546, 453 total value is required. It is a 500, 500, 1500, 1900 up to that. Then is a 2000, 2000 plus extra 43, 46, 53 added. It is a final value is 2142. 2142. We need percentage multiply with 100. Look at it is a 1102. It is a half of the 2142. It is a nearly half of the, that means answer is nearly 50%. Then approximately we'll take how much percentage? 51%. Then option here. Next, if 35% of total number of animals in the grassland of China in the year 2010 died, 35% is died means remaining is live is how much percentage? 65% is 65% is of how many animals remained in the grassland of China in the year 2010. 2010 China total value is about 400, 500, 500 is a 1400, 35 plus 34 it is a 69, 69 plus 11 means 1480. In 1480 we required 65%. 50% is value is 740 and 5% is value 74 and 10% is value 148. Overall, if you are adding this, we will get 65%. I am taking 50%, 5% and 10%. We should add it this totally value get 962. Then here the live animals is 962. Option D is our answer. Next, 120 for the same data. What is the 3/4 of the total number of lines? 3/4 of the total number of lines in grassland of all the four countries in the year 2000. In 2000, all the line values required 135 plus 325 plus 345 plus 267. This total value is required. That too, out of this we required 3/4. If we are adding all the hundreds, it is becoming 1000 plus and if you're adding extra 25 plus 35 60, 60 plus 45 it is a 105, 105 plus 67 it is a 1000 is already there now. It is remaining is 72. Out of this we require 3/4. Out of this we required 3/4. 4 to 1000 how many times? 250 times, and it is a 4 to 72 how many times? 18 times. 18 3 is 54 plus 3 into 250 is 750. It is 750 plus 54. It is equal to what is the value? 804. 804. It is a 3/4. That means option C here. Okay. Then next we have a miscellaneous questions. Circumference of circle is 44 meter. Circumference formula is what? 2 pi r. 2 into 22/7 into r is equal to 44. 44 and 22 and 2 cancel. Radius is equal to 7 means diameter is equal to 14. Then this triangle which is contained, okay, it's a triangle area formula is what? Base into height. It is a center to up to the circle, that means it is 7 and it is 14. Half into 7 into 14. 2 to 14 how many times? 7 times. 7 7 is equal to how much? 49. Then 49 means option A is our answer. Next, find the area of shaded portion. Shaded portion is required. It is a semicircle. Semicircle area is formula is pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. Pi r value is 14. Diameter is 28 na? Then our radius is 14. Then this small circles 14 is the diameter, then radius is 7. Pi 7 square. Okay, I'm not writing by 2 because this half circle is added. This half circle and this half circle is added. It should be equal to full circle. The full circle area is pi r square. R values here is I'm taking 7. Then pi will be taken common. Then pi and 14 square value is 196. 196 half value is 98. Minus 7 square half value is 49. And 22/7 into 49. 7 to 49 7 times. 22 7 is equal to 150. For the shaded portion is answer is option A. Then next one. A bag contains 4 red balls, 5 yellow balls, 6 green balls. Total is how many balls? Total is 15 balls. Out of 15 balls, you have to pick 3 balls. The 3 balls are belongs to combine. No yellow ball. No yellow balls means ignore the yellow balls. Remaining balls you have to select. 10C3. Then 10 into 9 into 8 by 15 into 14 into 13. And 2 sevens are, 2 fours are, 5 threes are, and 5 twos are, and 3 threes are. 3 to the 6, 6 4 is 24, 13 7 is 91. Then our answer is option A. Next, two pipes A and B can separately fill a system 60 minutes, 75 minutes. There is a third pipe in the bottom of the system emptied. It is 60 minutes, and next 75 minutes, and next 50 minutes. It's all are dividing to what is the number 300. Then 65 is 75 4 is 56, and this is we can write 9. 5 plus 4 value is 9. 9 minus 3 we can write now. It is a 6. This is all the 3 pipes efficiency 6. How you get the 6? 5 plus 4 is first 2 pipes. Third pipe is 3. This is empty pipe. This is what is a pipe? Empty pipe. Then 300 units of the tank will be emptied by every 1 minute. 3 units means 3 liters means, then how much time is required for particular individually for emptying pipe purpose to emptying the total tank? 100 minutes. Then option B is our answer. Next, the simple interest occurred on 20,000 at 3 years 7,200. Then 3 years 7,200 means 1 year is 2,400. In 20,000, 2,400 is the interest for 1 year means how much rate of interest imposed? 12% is imposed. 12% of 20,000 values 2,400. 2,400. Now you know the rate of interest. Then first coming to the compound interest, as per the key compound interest we can observe first year 2,400, second year 2,400, third year is also 2,400. You can take 12% of 2,400, 12 to the 24, 144, 144 double is 288. Here is 288, here is 288, here is also 288. Again you have to take the interest on interest. 12% of 288. Then 12 cube value is 1726. Then 1726 double value is 3456, sign 2 decimals. Then if you're adding this all the values now, you will get an interest. You can observe the last 2 decimals are 0.56 is compulsory content. That means if we are adding all these 0.56, you will get only one option is content 0.56. Then our option is option B is our answer. Next, 8 men and 4 women together can complete a piece of work in 6 days. Work done by a man in 1 day is double the work done by a woman. That means 1 man is equal to clearly mentioned 2 women. 1 man is equal to 2 women means, then as per the question here 4 women. 4 women. 4 women is equal to 2 men. 2 men plus 8 men. It is a 10 men. 10 men complete a work in 6 days means 10 men complete a work in 6 days means here total units is how many units? 60 units. 10 men 6 days. Then 1 day 60 units will be completed. Okay, total work. Okay, 8 men. They are given what is the condition? 8 men. 8 men plus 4 women complete a work in how many days? 6 days. Okay, this 4 women we can convert into 2 men. Then 2 men plus 8 men, it is a how many men? 10 men. 10 men complete a work in 6 days means total you can take 60 units are there. Okay, 10 into 6. Then coming to the question, if 8 men and 4 men started work, that means nothing but 10 men's work started. 10 men's are work started. They worked for how many days? 2 days. 2 days are work started means 10 to the is how many units completed? 20 units completed. Remaining is how many units? 40. This 40 is done by, now condition is what? 4 men left and 4 new women joined. 4 men left. 4 men left means already 8 men is there. Out of that 4 men left. 4 men left means remaining 4 men are there plus 4 women are there. 4 women is equal to 2 men and extra 4 new women joined. It is also 2 men. Then it is 4 men and 2 men plus 2 men. Overall it is equal to how many men? 8 men. 8 men is completing your 40 units. That means you will take how many days? 5 days. Then our answer is option A. Next, partnership based question. ABC started a business with their investment. A investment is 1 rupee and B investment is 2 rupees. C investment is 4 rupees. Clearly. Then After 6 months, A investment becomes A investment becomes A investment becomes half amount more as, that means plus 1.5. Then after the 6 months, B invested same amount as before, that means here is 2 rupees. That means overall 2 rupees means nothing but it is 4 rupees investment next 6 months. B portion completed. Next, C withdraw 1/4. C withdraw 1/4 means already investment 4 rupees. Out of 4 rupees, 1 rupee is withdrawn, remaining is 3 rupees. His investment is 7 rupees, his investment is 6 rupees, his investment is 2.5. But we need not required the time 6 months, 6 months, it's ignore it. 2.5 double is 5 and 6 double is 12 and 7 double is 14. Then final ratio is 5 is to 12 is to 14. Then option C is our answer. Next, Richard's test consists 85 questions from 3 sections. 10 questions from A, 30 questions from section B, 45 questions from section. Although she answered 70% of section A. 10 question content section A, 70% is attempted means 7 questions are correctly attempted. 50% of section B, that means 15 questions attempted correctly. 60% of C, 45 out of 45 questions 60%, that means it is a 30, it is a 90, it is a 27 questions. Overall is how many questions? 15 plus 7, it is a 22, 22 plus 7 is 49 questions. But as per the question, they are given total 85 questions. Out of 80 questions, we required compulsory past purpose. We required how much percentage questions attempt? 60% is attempt. Then 85, 60% of 85 means how to write here. Then you can simplify it. Otherwise, directly you can go with it is 170 and it is 30. Okay, 60 half is 30, 85 double is 170. 17 3 is 51. Compulsory you have to attempt 51 question, but you attempted 49 question. That means how many question is less? 2 questions less. 2 questions less means which option is correct? Option B is correct. A man sets out of a cycle from Delhi to Faridabad. One person is going Delhi to Faridabad, another person is coming from Faridabad to Delhi. But after passing each other, their journey is completing the time is 2 6 by 7 hours and 5 3 by 5 hours respectively. This purpose we have a particularly formula. Then 5 5 25 28 by 5. This is 28 by 5 hours. 7 to the 14, it is a 20 by 7 hours. Then coming to the whole route, 28 by 5 into 7 by 20. 4 5 and 4 7. 7 square means it is under root of 7 square becoming 7. Under root of 5 square becoming 5. 7 parts is equal to 14 kilometer per hour. 5 parts is equal to how many kilometer per hour? 10 kilometer per hour. Option A. Particularly after them crossing each other, there is a formula. Root T2 by T1. Next, in how many ways the letters of the word American can be arranged? American contain how many letters? 8 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is a how many letters? Vowels are there? 4 letters. And consonants, how many letters are there? 4 letters. Remaining is how many letters? They have to 6 letters exchanged. They self, they can write. That means here is exchange 4 letters, 4 vowels and 4 consonants. 4 into, this is how many letters? 6 letters. 6 factorial. 6 factorial, they can shuffle themselves, and here is 4 letters, chances are there. And here you can observe that A will be repeated purpose we are writing 2 factorial. 2 factorial value is 2. 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 2 times. 2 4 is 8. 8 into 726 factorial value 720. 8 7 is a 560. 820 is a 160. 160 plus 560 means it is a 5760. Then option is perfect. Option A is correct. Next, the product of the ages of Sakshi and Nidhi is 320, and 8 years from now is 3 times of n plus 8. we have to solve these two equations. When you solve these equations, Sakshi age will be at 40 and Nidhi age will be at 8 years. Compulsory we have to solve this. There is no other route. Then when the born time is Nidhi age becomes 0. Then Sakshi age becomes how many years? 32. 8 becomes 0 means here is also decreased by 8 years. Then it is a Sakshi age becomes how many years? 32 years. Then 32 years means which option is perfect? Option B. Option B is correct. Next. On selling a pen, 5% loss. 5% loss means minus 5% of X plus 15% gain, 15% of Y. Total profit is become how much rupees? 7 rupees. Next. Here next time pen sold at 5% gain. Loss means we can take negative, but here is positive. Plus, and next here 10% is gain. 10% is of Y, which is equal to 13. And when you're solving these two equations, we'll get correct answer. Minus 5 plus 5 cancel. 15 plus 10, it is equal to 25% of Y, and 13 plus 7 is 20. Y is book and X is pen. 25% means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 20 means Y is equal to what is the value? Cost of the book value is how much rupees? 80 rupees. 80 rupees means option B is correct. Next. A boat goes 28 kilometers. 28 kilometers upstream. And downstream 25% is more distance. 25% of 28 means how many kilometers? 1 by 4 times 7. 7 kilometers more means it is a 35 kilometers downstream. 28, 35, and difference between these two timings is how many hours? 4.5 hours. 4.5. And clearly mention 2 1 by 2 meter per second. 2 1 by 2 meter per second is boat speed. 2 1 by 2 means 5 by 2 and 18 by 5. Here is 5, 5 will be cancelled. Then boat speed is becoming how many kmph? 9 kmph and current speed. And here 9 kmph plus current speed. Both under downstream purpose adding and upstream purpose subtracting. And difference between these two timings up and down is 4.5. C values. Current speed is how much? If you substitute 6, what will happen? 9 minus 6. First option. Go through the option. 9 minus 6, now it is a 3. 3 is not dividing 28. That means first option is wrong. Okay, I am not going first option. Checking the B option. B option is what? 5. 5. 9 minus 5. 4. 4 is dividing 28. It is equal to 7. And 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 35 by 14 means 7 by 2. It is the 3.5. 3.5 hours is removing from the 7 hours. Remaining is 4.2. That means option B is perfect suitable here to getting an answer. Then option B is correct. Next. In a company ratio, number of officers to the number of clerks is 4:5. Total salary of the officers is 140% more. 140% more means officer salary 240 and the clerical salary is 100. Comparing to 100, 140% is more means 240. Then now each person fact, this is officers and this is belongs to, here is this is belongs to clerical, and 240 by 4 and it is 5. And each person's salary is how much? That's we are going to calculate. Here 0 0 cancel. 5 how many times? 2 times. Here is 4 how many times? 6 times. Okay, then officer salary is what percent is more than the clerical salary? 4 rupees is more than the 2 rupees. 4 rupees is more than 2 rupees means is nothing but it is how much? 4 by 2. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 into 100 means it is equal to how much percentage more? 200% more. Clearly we can understand that. Then option D is correct. Next we have 135 question. The 135 question is contain what? There is a mixture and allocation. Crude oil is 40%, 40%, and next is it is 19% and 26%. And we'll take mixture and allocation. It is 14 and it is 7. And 7 to 14, what is the ratio? 1:2. Then 1:2 means overall is how many parts? 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, you're taking how many parts? 19% is crude oil we are extra adding. Okay, then how much part it is? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means option C is answer. Next we have a 136 to 140 simplification, that too mixture, it's approximated base. We should solve now. 25 into 12 square. 12 square value is 144. 144 plus 6 is 150. 150 by 15 plus 47 percentage of 700. Look at here, 15 cancel now, it is become 250. 250 plus it is 47 into 7 percentage is double zero will gain 7 4 is 280, 7 cents 49. 280 plus 49 means it is 329. 329 added now it is becoming 579. It is approximately 580. Then option A is correct. Next we have 137 question. This 137 question we have to simplify it. 79.96 percentage means we can write 80 percentage of 29 percentage of 98.96, we can write 99 into 120 plus 30 into 4 is 120. 120 and 99 times of 120, it is a overall 100 times of 120, and into 29 percentage we can write 29 by 100 and into 80 by 100. Here the percentage wise 2 zeros will be cancelled, numerator here 100, here 100 cancel, here double zero, here 0, here 0 will be cancelled. 18 to 12 the value is 96. 96 into 29. 96 into 29 multiplied now we will get 2784. 2784 means option E. Option E is a correct for this question. Option E. Okay. Let's move for the next question. Next, somewhat more simplification is required here for 138 question. 47.98 percentage. 47.98 percentage means it is equal to 48 percentage. 48 percentage of 85 percentage of, it is root of 100. It is a 10. 10 to the power of 4 means it is a 10,000. Minus 36 into 4 into 54. 4 into 54. Okay, we can write as it is 4 into 54 by root of 49. Root of 49 is 7. 7 plus 5 value is 12. 12 to 36 how many times? 3 times. And percentage wise all the zeros will be cancelled. 48 you can write 24 into 85 I can write 170 minus 3 4 the value is 12. 12 into 54. This is our answer. 24 into 17. 17 4 is 68. 8 and carry forward is 6. 17 2 is 34. It is equal to 4080. Minus 12 4 is 48. 8 and 12 by the 60. It is a 648. From 40,600 will be removed. Now your answer is 30. 30 combination. 34,000. 34,000 and 32. Then our answer is option A. Next, 1 by 38 into 5434 plus 7 by 23 into 5727 plus 4 by 5 into 20, which is equal to x into 6. X into 6. Now we have to simplify. This table will be going for 19. Okay, 19 2 the 19 3 is 57. 19 3 is 57. 19 2 you will go. It is equal to 38. 38 something. Directly we will go to 38 table. 38 table also you will get clearly. 38 1 38 1 and 38 1 and it is a 4 and 3. Okay, 38 143 times. Next we should calculate with 23. Directly we can calculate with 23. 23 ones are 23, and 23 twos are, and 23 fours are, and it is 9 will get. And these are multiplied. 7 into 249. 7 into 249 value is 1743, plus it is a 16, and x into 6, and here is 143, and this will be added. 43 plus 43, it is a 86. 86 plus 16, it is a 102. 102 added to 100, it is a 202. 202 is added to 1700, it is equal to 1902 by 6 is equal to x. Then final will get x value. 6 3s is 18, remaining is 20, and again 6 3s are 6 1s will go to, okay, sorry, 18, remaining is 10. 6 1s and 6 7s. Final will get 317 is the answer. Option D is correct. Next, final question 140. 10% of 570707, we can write 8 because pi 9 is then 8, into 25% of 120 minus 20% of 1700 plus 45. 20% we can write 1 by 5. 1 by 5, 5 to 45, it is into 5 to 45, 9 times 9 17, 9 17 is equal to 153 15,300. Now here we should simplify it. 25% is a 120 is equal to, it is a 30. Okay, 10% is a 5708 is equal to 570. We can write y71 also, no problem. It is 3 3 7s are 21, and carry forward 2 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, it is a 17, and 0 minus 15300. Then we'll get correct answer 17130 minus 15,300. You will get nearly 1800 change. You will get nearly 1800 change. You will get means, that means you will get what is the answer. Option A is correct. Option A is correct here. Okay, I hope you can understand all the questions. Thank you.